Welcome back to the show and welcome to the Olme Spyder. Now, the Olme Spyder is a one of one. This car was designed by some first year MA students in the University of Umeå, the Institute of Design up in the north of Sweden, back in 2010. Now, this whole project was to give the students a better understanding of the basic development, the workflow from sketchboard to a full-scale model. The project was made in collaboration with Ove Bengtsson and some other top designers from Volvo and Saab.
There you are, Gary, doing your circus training. So basically this is an Opel dashboard instrument panel lights. It's a 1.3 TDI diesel engine in the back. Yeah. And this is the most exclusive car in whole of Sweden. Yeah. One of one!
And up for auction right now, yeah?
Yeah.
Excellent.
So this was designed by some students at the Umeå Design School.
And Umeå is like right up north of Sweden, isn't
right
it?
in north of Sweden, and it's like renowned for doing industrial design and engineering. So the project was built with a guy called Ove Bengtsson who financed the project, and then he got help from Saab and Volvo engineers and the students. So the car was completed in 2010.
It's kind of got a Lotus kind of styling, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's got, if you look at it, it's got like some design cues from like a little bit of a Lotus. The lights are coming from sort of like a Lamborghini style. Yeah. The front is like a Smart. Yeah, and I mean, it's not very practical if it's wet weather. You've got this little roof, this little screen, plastic. Right. And you've got no roof or wet weather stuff.
You're going to need goggles driving this as well, aren't you?
You're going to catch a lot of flies.
And keep your mouth shut, yeah.
You'll be bouncing off your forehead. I mean, this is more like what you could class as like, you could say more like a sort of beach buggy style car. Yeah. But I mean, you can see when you put your gas down. I won't do it now, or else you'll have to go flying out.
Yeah, please don't do that now.
It's got some oomph.
Yeah.
Especially with that torquey diesel engine. Yeah. But it's, you know, it was built for a car for everyone to afford and an everyday car, but obviously maybe in Spain.
Yeah.
We have a bushing on the link arm that needs replacing, but right.
But to be honest with you, mate, most summer cars come out on a nice sunny summer's day, don't they?
I mean, this one you're only going to be driving only in the summertime. But I think the family said before he died, he did a lot in the summer, and I can understand why, because you drive this into the city centre, everyone's like, what is it? Is it a Lamborghini? Is it a Ferrari?
So there you have it, the 2010 Olme Spyder. Totally unique Swedish design, one of one built. Running a 1.3 turbo diesel engine, given around 90 brake horse. currently at auction as of today, which is the 30th of March 2022.
So I hope you really enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did. And we'll see you all again next week for some more Cars of Sweden live.
Yeah.